First, I would like to tell you about the Mini Cool Air Inflator, our high-quality entry-level model. This machine was developed for decorators and balloon professionals for continuous operation without overheating. Overheating is a common problem with our competitors' inflators. Here is a brief review of the key features and benefits of this great machine. It is a compact unit. It has a built-in handle, adapter holder and nozzles, cord wrap for the extra long 7-foot cord, 3-way rocker switch, on, off, and momentary. Accessories unique to this model is an optional hands-free foot pedal, a carrying case, and a spare nozzle set. Now I would like to show you how to use this machine. Position the machine on a flat, level, dry surface. The adapters should be used if necessary depending on the type of balloon to be inflated. Using the adapters will cause the inflator to heat up due to the restriction of airflow. We recommend that you use only the momentary switch when operating with the supplied adapters. Firmly place the correct adapter onto the inflator nozzle to prevent the adapter from being blown off. All latex balloons except modeling balloons can be directly inflated without the use of an adapter. Use the small diameter adapter with 4-inch and 9-inch foil balloons. Use the large diameter adapter with 18-inch or larger foil balloons. Use the small diameter adapter with the small latex balloons. Momentary or continuous operation can be performed by using the 3-way rocker switch. Let me demonstrate how to inflate a latex balloon using the small latex adapter. Always use the momentary switch when using any adapter.